Would you like to have a different Excel workbook password every time you open your workbook? This is known as one-time password, or OTP in short. Major companies like Google and Amazon adopt this security measure to enhance their cybersecurity posture. In my last video, I showed you how to create a VBA script to incorporate OTP. Now in this part, I'll guide you through the testing process of the OTP script. Drop me a message if you need the links to the first video. To test the new OTP feature, close the target workbook and open the opt.xlsx file. You can see that there's no password entry in the file. After that, reopen the target workbook again. The initial launch doesn't need your password, but the new password is assigned to the target workbook and recorded in a otp.xlsx file. You can view the new password by opening the otp.xlsx file again. Now let's close and open the target workbook one more time, and from now on, a password is required for all future opening, and the password is always recorded in the otp.xlsx file.